Good evening, everyone. Thanks for joining me in this video. 2 days ago, I saw this video from Benue State where the people of Benue were protesting about the herdsmen or terrorists, Fulani terrorists killing, okay? I just have one advice for them. But before that, take a listen.
Enough is enough. We will do our peaceful protest. No man, born of a woman can stop us because enough is enough. Look at the way every night people will be chased from their homes. People will be killed. People will be kidnapped. Today we are expecting another killing. Today we are expecting another kidnapping. Today we are expecting Fulani herdsmen. Today we are expecting people's properties to be destroyed. How can we remain like this? Enough is enough. We use this video to call again on the executive governor of Benue State. I said earlier, anybody telling you to go is a lie. Anybody telling you to see is a lie. Just yesterday, a man was arrested from Agatu because he need to frame his herbicide on his farmland to farm again because farming season is approaching. And we learned that the police came to arrest that man. For what reason? There is an open grazing law in Benue State. Yeah, we are not supposed to see anybody doing open grazing in Benue State. And if there is open grazing in Benue State, the person has committed the law against the law. The person already committed against the law. And if you have committed, why are you harassing innocent people, innocent farmers? Why are you making us homeless? We are beginning to suspect our leaders. Yes. And their hands are in this thing. Of course. This security. Yes. Give more money to government. We believe you. This security. Give more money to the local government. Yes. This security. Give more money to the state government. Yes. And that is why they have refused to do that. So that their security votes will be going faster and faster.
All right. Despite that, I commend people who always come out to speak, condemn the attacks going on. But I think enough of all these protests over killing. People came to kill you. They did not protest to kill you. This has been happening for over 10 years. In the same place in Benue State, people will come, they will kill you. You will go and protest. No. If they come to kill you, for over 10 years should be enough for you people to get prepared for any attack coming again. Okay? I mean 10 years is enough. This, like in 2023, in my area, I think kidnapping started in 2023. 2024 is increasing. This is 2024. So within 2 years, I think they are meeting their match. Okay? 10 years is too much for you people to continue to cry. To do. According to the DSS director, you people should mobilize. They come, you kill them. Okay? Do whatever it takes, physically, spiritually, because the way everything is going in, let me tell you, this protest, you are just protesting. Nobody is hearing you. Your governor will not hear you. The president of the country will not hear you. Nobody will hear you. So protesting in Nigeria is like useless, thing, useless ranting. And if they want to have your interest, they will send soldiers to go and shoot you. That is the two things they do. So because of that, if something is happening like this, you people should plan. How many times are we going to still tell you people, plan yourself, get these people, attack them, give them the match, the level of violence they are bringing, give it to them. I am not ignorant of the condition of the police and security agencies that if they come to attack, they will not see soldiers and police. But if you people mobilize and carry gun now to defend them, I'm not ignorant of information that will still be coming. Police will come to be searching home upon homes. They will be checking if they have gun. Whereas they won't talk about people who are killing them. But do not be deceived by that. According to the DSS director, the only way to stop this, we can't protect you. The only way to stop this is to defend yourself. Anyway, that is not what I want to report. What happens today is what I really want to report, but I decided to react to this video of protest of killing. Okay, now, bandits killed 10 residents in fresh attack in Plateau State communities. Okay, in Plateau State communities, 10 people has been killed as I speak with you today. Okay, now this is the details of what happened. Bandits have killed at least 10 people in a series of violence attacks carried out on Wednesday on 5 communities in the Bekos local government area of Plateau State. The latest attack came just 6 days after a similar attack occurred in Rui community during a wake-keeping ceremony where 10 people were also killed and 3 others sustained injuries. A statement released by the Bekos Cultural Development Council and signed by the chairman, Famasu Fundang, condemned the persistent attacks. Fundang in the statement stated that the peaceful and hospitable people of the area facing threats from terrorists attempting to seize their land and impose a caliphate. So all these things is just towards Islamization, as I said. Okay, these people wanted to. Well, not that they wanted, that is what they want. And they are going to achieve it if the people did not stop them. Mark my word, the people, not the government. Because the government will not stop them. The security agencies will not stop them. If the people have the ability to stop them, they will stop. If the people don't have the ability to stop them, they will continue. Okay? Their mission is to install a caliphate. Now, the article continues. So, in just 1 week, we have lost over 20 community members due to these Morandan terrorists, who are engaged in an ongoing ethnic and religious cleansing of 5 villages, Fundang stated. What are they doing? They are engaging in an ongoing ethnic and religious cleansing of 5 villages. Ethnic and religious cleansing. Who are you? Are you a Christian? Okay, are you this? Show me. Okay, they are doing waykeeping. It is Christian that they are doing waykeeping. Kill. They will eradicate them. On April 2nd alone, they killed over 10 people. Okay, survivors reported that the attackers speaking the Fulani dialect launched a brazen assault in a broad daylight around noon in a Mango Tamiso, then moved to Dafu, Manguna, and invaded Horti and Tadai, he added. According to the BCDC, the assailant who reported spoke the Fulani dialect carried out coordinated attacks in broad daylight, beginning in Mango Tomiso, okay, the names of the village, and subsequently striking Dafu, Manguna, Horti, and Tadai. Despite the grim situation, the council acknowledged the swift response of the security agencies, which they said helped in minimizing the casualties. However, the group urged the community members to remain vigilant and support security forces in effort to protect their lives and property. Okay, in this report now, they said that the security agencies responded swiftly, unlike before. Okay, now the people of Bekos must not allow themselves to be slaughtered or rely solely on government security forces who cannot be everywhere to protect everyone. Do you remember what the DSS director said? You must protect yourself. They can't protect you. Nigeria is only country I see where the government officials, the security chiefs will come out to tell you, like Army, DSS, that we don't have the capacity to protect you. Nigeria is the only country. Because the protection of lives and property of the people is the primary responsibility of the government. That is just it. So any government who comes out to tell you that we can't protect you, you know what that means? It means that they are not ready to have a nation. Nigeria is less than a nation, okay? If you like, you go and argue with your keyboard. It doesn't concern me. As far as a government says, my primary duty, I can't do it, then what is the meaning of government? Or what is the meaning of a nation? If the whole nation of the world are just porous like Nigeria, everybody can come and kill their people, there will be no nation standing on earth anymore. It is very unfortunate. It continues that at the very least, citizens, should arm themselves with non-prohibited weapons to delay attackers until help arrives. Anything less could be fatal. Fundang advice. For me, I don't only advise that citizens should only arm themselves with non-prohibited weapons. As far as Nigeria is concerned at this moment, no weapon is unprohibited. So if bandits can use bomb, drone, helicopter, to name a few, AK-47, different kind of gun, why are you telling citizens that some guns are prohibited? There is no prohibited gun in Nigeria anymore. Residents and community leaders are calling on relevant authorities to strengthen security in the region as attacks in Bekos local government area continue to escalate. Many fear that without urgent intervention, the violence could lead to further loss of lives and displacement of residents. That is the article, and I rest my case here. The end of the whole issue is that don't allow anybody to take your life unnecessarily. If they come to attack you, kill them. Arm yourself. Do everything necessary to get gun. And arm yourself. Any kind of gun you can get. Don't let... See, in this Nigeria that we are now, where the government say they can't protect you, do not allow anybody to kill you anyhow. And do not allow any law to make you not to protect yourself. Forget about what anybody will tell you. Protect yourself. You have the right to live. Don't forget this word or this sentence. You have the right to live. Right to live is a right above any other thing. Okay?